So dear students, here we are going to start our topic that called as the corrosion. So first of all, what is corrosion? Corrosion means it is a destruction, deterioration or decay of any metallic material. The thing that corrosion, it is related with the metallic material only. But how that metallic material undergoes the process of deterioration? When it is come in contact with the atmospheric different conditions. So, what the meaning of different conditions? Actually, the corrosion, it takes place when the situation, atmospheric situations or the conditions are different. Due to that, corrosion takes place, and that different atmosphere creates a different kinds of the classification of that corrosion. So the corrosion again carried out in a two way, either by dry or the wet condition. So the things for the corrosion here we are discussing. The simple definition, what the definition of corrosion? It's the metallic material which undergoes the process of deterioration, means the decay, deterioration or the destruction of metallic material either by the chemical or by the electrochemical process due to the atmospheric conditions. So it's a process how the metal undergoes corrosion. Whether all metals are undergoes the process of corrosion, whether the rate of corrosion for all metal is same or different. For that we can say that here every metal undergoes the process of corrosion except the noble metals like silver, gold and the platinum, because they never reacts with the oxygen or other metals. They have very low reactivity. That's why they never undergoes the process of corrosion. उनका कभी भी corrosion नहीं होता है. But the rate of corrosion is depend on the temperature, pH, and the other so many things are responsible for the rate of corrosion. In 12th, you already teach the process of metallurgy. How the metal is extracted. The impure form of metal, we can say that it's a ore. Okay. So, first of all, that ores, it is an impure form of metal, and that impure form of metal means that metal reacts with the oxides, sulfides, chlorides or any other thing, silica and all these things. Here we remove all these things and prepare a pure metal. But during that, actually, here the ores, they are stable, impure. They are impure in nature but stable. When we extract metal from it, that process called as the metallurgy, here the metal become definitely pure. Here metal become pure, but it is unstable. और वो unstable हो जाता है. So to get the stability, that metal again reacts with the atmospheric oxygen or any other gases and again converted into the metal oxide form, which is nothing but its origin form that we call as the ores. So every metal having tendency to comes in its original state, original compound, and that natural process called as the corrosion. So except the noble gases, every metal undergoes the process of corrosion. Now, as we already discussed what the definition is that it's a destruction, decay or the deterioration of metallic material due to the different process like wet, or dry chemical or the electrochemical process due to the different change in the atmospheric condition. Now next part, it is the classification. As we already discussed it in a definition, that corrosion takes place in a two-way, either by the dry or the chemical corrosion, we can say that. Second, it is the wet or the electrochemical corrosion. So what is dry or chemical corrosion? Dry or chemical corrosion means the corrosion in which